Hey folks, it is a mild Friday night across the valley. Your temperatures right now holding steady in the mid 70s. That's about our normal high for this time of year, and that's where we are now. We're not going to cool off much more tonight. Take a look at our forecast lows, and they're pretty close to where we are right now. Everybody bottoms out at 70 or warmer across the area under more clouds. Clouds begin to thicken up during the overnight hours, so it won't be a clear night by any means. And there probably will be a little fog mixed in later tonight or early tomorrow morning. But then tomorrow afternoon, look at this. This is hot for February. This is hot. 93 in Rio Grande City and Edinburgh, 92 in McAllen, 91 in Westlake tomorrow, about 90 in Harlingen. Other readings in the 80s. And then the beach, if you want to cool off, head to the island, 75 for your high temperature there. Take a look at the next 3 days. The normal for this time of year is 76. We're going to go 91, almost the record. Record up there is 93. 82 on Sunday, and we'll actually cool into the 70s during the daytime, and then 74 on Monday. But our front comes in Sunday during the early morning hours, and we'll warm up briefly, but then cool back off. Radar showing some ground glitter over the valley and some showers way off to the west. I think we stay pretty much rain-free tonight and rain-free during the daytime tomorrow, except for any mist that falls with that fog. But as the day goes on, partly sunny skies take over. Turns out to be a beautiful but very warm day across the area. Sunday, this front pushes into the region, and some of the models kind of slow it down over the middle part of the valley for a short period of time on Sunday. And when that happens, that allows the lower valley to warm up a little bit. So you may end up in the low 70s in the west, low 80s in the east, but eventually the front pushes all the way through. Temperatures cool off. Could be a thunderstorm with the front, slight chance of that, and then the clouds really kind of stick around Sunday into Monday. The closer to the front you are, the more clouds you're going to see. If the sun breaks out like that's suggesting, then we might warm up a little in the western part of the valley. But tomorrow's a dry day. We don't expect any rain tomorrow. On Sunday, about a 40% chance for a shower or thunderstorm with and behind the front, and then some leftover light showers on Monday. Not a rainy day, but there'll be a couple of showers around with the clouds hanging out. Look to the north. The front continues to press northward. Now just a smaller and smaller part of Texas in the chilly air mass. That would include Abilene and Dallas, but everything south of that finally starting to warm up. Still north of the front, there's rain, there's drizzle, there's messy weather up there. But that front pushes northward out of the state tonight, so everybody warms up. Next front moves into the state tomorrow. Not nearly as cold as the one that's leaving. So yes, it'll cool off, but not dramatically. So low pressure develops on the front near the valley, races up the front, allowing that slightly cooler air to build in for Sunday and Monday. But it turns around and goes right back to the north on Tuesday, and temperatures warm up once again. Headed to the coast tomorrow for the weekend. Well, tomorrow will be a gorgeous day. Southeast winds, maybe some fog early, 10 to 15, choppy on the bay. UV is very high. The bay is 63 degrees, the surf, or 66 rather, the surf at 63. Operators of small craft urged to use caution. So for tonight, 72 for a low. That's mild for this time of year, and 91 for a high. That's hot for this time of year, well above average on both ends of the scale. Southeast winds tomorrow at about 10 to 20. Remember, the day starts with clouds. Once that sun comes out, temperatures warm up quickly to 91. 82 on Sunday and cooling into the 70s. No warmer than the 70s on Monday. Right back in the 80s for next week. A front late Wednesday cools it off a little, but not a lot for the end of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back right after the break.